round number 7, and it's very easy. We start with the raising loop and 2 front post double crochet into the first front post double crochet. 1 front post double crochet will be into the middle one, and again 2 front post double crochet into the third. 3 loops, and here we're gonna have a beautiful element. I really like it. It's a puff stitch of 6 double crochet. Please pay attention, they have one top, and which means they have different tops, yes, but this round loop means we are making a slip stitch in there. I will show you. Then we continue again with the 3 loops, and again the same elements, front post double crochet. Let me show you the raising loop, and we have to find and stretch and find the first front post double crochet and make 1 front post double crochet, and the second in the same into the same, then 1 front post double crochet into the middle here, and 2 pieces of front post double crochet into the third one, 1 and 2. 3 loops, 1, 2, 3. I'm helping myself to stretch and find the arch, so it's in here. 3 pieces of double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. 3 more into the next arch, 1, 2, and 3. Then we have to make a slip stitch. We go into the first double crochet into the top, getting the thread and dragging it through. So the round circle you see in the chart is doing this. 3 loops, and again the same element as before. 2 pieces of front post double crochet into the first one, 1, 2, 1 double crochet into the middle, and 2 into the third, 1 and 2. 3 loops, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna make it again together. 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Into the next arch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 3 double crochet. A slip stitch, and 3 loops, 1, 2, 3. This is it. This is the pattern. Let me see you in the end here. So we've made 3 loops, and we have to make a slip stitch into the first front post double crochet from this round. Find the top here and a slip stitch. Let's have a look how it has the shape. It's beautiful. I love how the petals look like, and I think it's really amazing texture. Right, this is the back side. have a look. Alrighty, let's see you in the next round.